G'day guys, welcome back. Today will be Scarlet and Violet. We have a few things coming up in the channel. Today I picked up a Elite Trainer box, so that will be coming up later on. I think there's like 10 booster packs in that. But today we'll be opening one of these, and if I don't pull anything good on the first one, we'll open the second one probably. I reckon I'm going to get this one. And I'm going to go Lightning Energy. What do you think, son?
Might go Psychic Energy.
Okay. Oh, it's one from the topo.
Yep.
Yeah.
Darkness.
Darkness, okay. Oh, I haven't seen it. Pinnacle?
Pinnacle.
What do we know yet? Always cool.
Shroomish.
I pulled him yesterday. Oh, we got something. Oh, my God! Oh, was he on the front? Yes! I did that yesterday as well.
Gyarados EX.
I love Scarlet and Violet, and I love Pokemon. Remember guys, like and subscribe!